Alright guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Emmanuel Okpai, and here I bring you everything crypto. So subscribe to this channel if you have not done so for exclusive content on cryptocurrency. Alright, so today I'm going to be sharing with you step-by-step guide on how to download and use an auto clicker app on your device. Alright, if for some of us have been mining different cryptocurrency on Telegram bots, Hamster Combat, TapSwap, and Meme, Filecoin, and the rest. So this is step-by-step guide on how you can be using this app to mine instead of tapping with your hand every now and then. You know, sometimes when you tap you get tired, right? When you tap you get tired. So this application will help you mine this cryptocurrency hands-free. You don't need to be doing that, but you still have to kind of monitor it to kind of show that it is done by a human being. So please follow this step-by-step guide to download this, install this, and use it. First of all, you have to download the app on Google Play Store if you're using an Android device. This is Google Play Store. You click on search and then search for auto clicker. Type auto clicker. Here we have it. All right, so this is it. So we are going to install this particular one. You see a whole lot of them. Okay, this one we are installing it. Okay, so you install, allow it to download it, and then it will automatically install on your phone. Right now we've downloaded it, so we are going to click on open. Okay, you click on open. Right now it should be on your phone. Okay, so we are going to click on open and allow it to load. Okay, so you're going to set it up right now. Okay, you close this, you get advert. All right, so here you can actually subscribe for a paid package, that is a professional account, but there's also option a limited version, right, which is actually free. You can use it. All right, so instead of paying this amount of money, paying this 4,990 naira per week, if you're not really doing much, you can opt for the limited version, which is actually free. Okay, so you click on limited version, it will take you to this place. Then just click on agree to the terms and condition. Right now, this is how to set up this on your phone. Right, you're going to click on go to setting. You click on go to setting, this particular place, click on it. Okay, click on go to setting. Here you're going to allow this, right, allow this on your device. Okay, then this particular area where you have this, you turn it on. Okay, here we go. So I've succeeded in setting it up right now. So the next thing you're going to do is to click on this cancel to go back. You click on that cancel sign there to go back, to return to the main page or the home page. You cancel. So here we have our auto clicker, okay, ready to be used. Right, so what do? You click on start. Okay, and then set up how you want it to be clicking. All right, the first one is single point click, that is as if you're clicking with one finger. All right, you can see the video, kind of a graphic display of how it will be clicking on your phone. And then the second one, is multiple point. Okay, this is multiple point. You can see graphic demonstration of how it will be tapping on multiple places. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, you can see it's actually tapping on different places, not tapping at a particular place. Then we have side point mute. Side point mute is where each is as if you're using 3 finger and they are each of them is pointing at a particular point. All right, so I suggest or I advise you use multiple point mode, because so that it doesn't, the truth is that some of these platforms where we mine these coins, they don't want to they don't want you to use this, right? Because it makes it easier for you, right? You actually expected to use your hand to do this, right? So this multiple point mode actually makes it more like a human being, so that you don't keep on clicking on a particular spot. So I suggest you use multiple mode, right? So then you click on start. Okay, now when you've clicked on start, the next thing you're going to do is to click on setting. You're still going to do additional setting, and let's click on the setting. This is this gear sign here. Okay, that gear sign on the moving object, just click on it and there we have it, right? So these are the settings you put on it. Just allow every other setting the way it is except anti-detection. So you're going to toggle this to the end. Toggle this anti-detection. The anti-detection, that means you don't want any system to detect that you are using auto clicker. So what you're going to do, this anti-detection, turn it on, toggle it to the end, and then click on done. All right, then your auto clicker is set to be used. So the next thing you're going to do is let's just try it with one of these games in Telegram rather. All right, let's try it with tap swap. Okay, or let's use hamster combat. Okay, this is how to use it on hamster combat. The way you use it on hamster combat is also the same way you can use it on other bots that requires clicking. All right, so right now we have 1 point. That's why you see one. Is as if I start this, that means I'm tapping with 1 finger. So how do you start? This is play. You click on play. Have you seen it? It's now tapping for me. All right, you can also pause it. Okay, you can move it to another angle and click on play. It will start tapping for you. Now remember, we are using multiple points, so you can, if you need additional point, that is to look as if you're using 2 or 3 fingers, you click on this plus sign here, the plus sign after the play button. Click on it. You can see we now have the second one. Okay, you can move it around. Okay, position it anywhere you want it to be on the interface. All right, so you can also make it 3. Okay, then if you don't like using 2 or 3, you can always click on minus to remove the last one. You can also click that to remove, but let's try it with multiple finger 3 for instance, and see how it works. Then you click on play, it will start tapping for you. This is very simple and very straightforward. Remember to turn on your anti-detection, that is to make it difficult for any system to detect that you are using an auto clicker. All right, so you can remove one and work with two. You can even work with 4. This is 4. That is as if you're tapping with 4 fingers. All right, now please, I want you to know this: if you're using an auto clicker, that does not mean you shouldn't pay attention to any coin you're mining. All right, you can see the countdown, the normal countdown you're giving. You have to watch it to be able to pause the auto clicker by the time the countdown has stopped. I mean the energy of your tapping. Right, once it goes down to maybe 0, you need to pause the auto clicker so that it doesn't look as if is a robot that is actually doing it. So it still requires you to monitor your mining, so it's not a kind of completely hands-free, because if you use it as completely hands-free device or a tool, the system is likely to detect that um, that it is not human that is actually tapping. That is why it's important you monitor it. For instance, uh, if you use it or maybe beyond the normal time that a human being should use it, when you're clicking, the right time to stop tapping. If you allow it to continue tapping, it's going to show a sign that this is not actually done by a human being. So that is why it's very important you monitor it and control it. Right, so that is simply how to download this um, app and use it on your Android phone. You can see right now, at the expiration of this energy, I will pause it. Right, pause it. So this is the setting. Right, like I said, make sure you turn on your anti-detection. Very, very, very important. So ladies and gentlemen, that is how to use your auto clicker on your phone to save you time and energy of clicking. And for some of us that are mining with multiple devices, you can just put them on and monitor them on the various devices. So thank you so much for watching. If you're new or if this is your first time, please do us a favor, subscribe to this channel, and do it to also share this video with your friends. Let them learn how to use this powerful application to ease their work. Thank you for watching.